Hello and welcome. Hello. So I am creating a Canva video on the mobile app. I'm trying to do a few more of these because so many people use the mobile app and it's a fantastic platform, slightly different to desktop, obviously with the screen size. So I wanted to just show you a couple of things you can do on the app. So today I'm going to show you a new feature with shapes. So first of all, I'm pressing my little purple circle and I'm just going to choose an Instagram post. So I'm going to bring up a template. It automatically brings up all of the templates that are available. And I'm going to click on the Elements tab in the bottom left-hand corner. In the search bar, I'm typing in shapes and it will just bring up all of the basic shapes that Canva offers. Now, these have always been there. I'm not sure if there's any new ones recently, but there's lots of basic shapes that you can use within your designs. But I'm just going to choose the square, the top left-hand corner, and I've added a square to my template. What Canva have now done is they've added an additional option down the bottom in the bottom bar called shape. It's the second one in. I'm going to press it and it brings up additional options. Now, I can now change that shape to any one of these. So you'll notice there are some different ones here. We've got stars, these sort of more sticker shaped ones, arrows. All of these different shapes are now available for me to change my square to. So I'm going to go for a star. Okay, I've pressed my star. I'm going to close that. And I'm now going to go across because we have a new feature called style. Okay, so did you see that there? It's a few in next to color called style. Now this gives me a little bit more control over what I can now do with my shape. Okay, so this is the geeky side of me coming out. I now have the top option where I can actually give my shape a border. Dots, lines, dashes, or solid, okay? I can change the thickness of that border on the second one down. And I can also change the rounding of the corners. So I want to create a star, but it's got sharp pointy edges. I want it to be slightly rounder. I can now do that within Canva. And when I have set my border weight and my corner rounding, I can also change the style of the border and it will stay the same as the border weight and the corner rounding. So you can see I'm just pressing the ones across the top. There's only 4 at the moment, but it's a fun little feature and I really like that. Okay, so I'm going to close that and I'm just going to go to color and I'm going to change my star to yellow. Once we have added a border, we get this additional option called border color. So I can now change the color of the border. You need to add in your border first, then you can go and you can change the color. Okay, so here we go. Just lots of different color options from my color palette. I can now change the color of my star. I can add text to this, I could add information into the middle, I can change the colour, I can animate it. So I've still got all of my other options along the bottom, but we do have this additional shape option. And then we have the style option. And like I say, once you've changed the colour, once you've added a border even, it then gives you the option to change the colour of the border as well. Okay, so if I go back to shape, I've then got all the additional options come up again. And I can now change it to any of these shapes. Speech bubble's brilliant. There's a cloud. I can change it to any of these. And again, I can close this. I can go along. I can change my color. I can change my style. So I can give it a border. I need to change the border color. So I've got something different there. So there we go. That is just a quick video on the different features that Canva has added in for shapes. Like I say, it's my geeky side coming out of me when I get excited about shapes. I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please make sure you follow my channel because I've got loads and loads of videos coming up. But yep, that's it for now, guys.